Why do cold symptoms appear so quickly? Have you ever caught a cold and felt symptoms almost as soon as you were exposed? It might seem like magic, but there's a clear scientific reason behind this rapid onset. When viruses that cause colds, like rhinoviruses, enter your body, they quickly infect the cells lining your upper respiratory tract. These viruses are highly efficient at starting their replication process soon after they get inside. In fact, the incubation period, the time between exposure and the first signs of illness, can be as short as 12 hours and usually lasts between 1 and 3 days. Once the virus gets into your respiratory cells, it begins multiplying rapidly. This quick replication triggers your immune system to respond almost immediately. Your body detects the viral invasion and releases chemical signals called cytokines and other inflammatory mediators. These substances cause local inflammation in your airway tissues, leading to swelling, increased mucus production, and irritation of nerve endings. That's what causes the familiar symptoms like sore throat, sneezing, a runny or stuffy nose, and coughing. In addition to local effects, your immune system also sends signals through your bloodstream, leading to systemic symptoms such as fatigue, muscle aches, and sometimes a mild fever. These symptoms are your body's way of fighting off the infection. Because your immune response kicks in so quickly, you can start feeling symptoms within hours of being infected. Usually, the earliest signs are a scratchy throat and sneezing, which then develop into nasal congestion, coughing, and general malaise over the next few days. It's interesting to compare cold symptoms with those of influenza or the flu. Flu symptoms tend to appear more suddenly and are often more severe, but both viruses cause symptoms because of your immune system reacting to the infection. The difference lies in how quickly and intensely your body responds. Cold viruses tend to cause milder and more gradual symptoms, while the flu triggers a more abrupt and intense response. Understanding why cold symptoms appear so quickly emphasizes the importance of good hygiene and avoiding close contact with infected people, especially during the early stages of infection, when the virus is already multiplying but symptoms might not yet be obvious. Regular hand washing, avoiding touching your face, and staying away from crowded places can help prevent catching or spreading the virus. In summary, cold symptoms appear rapidly because the viruses start infecting your cells almost immediately after exposure, and your immune system responds quickly to contain the infection. This rapid immune activation causes the symptoms we all recognize as a cold. If you ever feel unwell, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice and proper care.